So guys, we are on the green spot. Again, set it up according to instructions in video of setup. Place your green ball, place your object white balls on its respective circles. Again, make sure you start potting one ball from each spot again and again. So almost 40-50 times from this side, then 40-50 times on that ball, then 40-50 times on this sort. This is of course is a rest shot, so I don't think you'll be able to, you don't need to practice on this one. We'll work on rest shot later, but for this one I hope you get the idea that how we are doing it. So again, set it up this circle line in the center of the pocket, the green ball and this one, and make sure you start practicing from ball 1. Again, follow the line of aim, go in the shot, and check your tip whether it's sitting on the line or not. Again, once you do 30-40 pots from this part, then move to this line. So once you finish the shot, make sure your tip is in the line center. So once you are confident and potting after 40-50 shots from this side, make sure you switch your angles expert for the middle pocket for the green spot. These are very important, the same way we did with the yellow spot. So I hope you understand and you will be able to perform a good practice, and the life of your angles recognition will be easier, less difficult, and you will start enjoying angles spot more in the game with the help of angles expert. Still confused? Please message me. Let me set it up for you in the middle pocket, so you will understand how you can set it up for the middle pocket for green ball. So guys, we are setting up green ball for the middle practice with the angles expert. All you have to do is to just again place this arrow in the middle, you can see, and make sure your angles expert, this dot is in the center of your green spot. If it's not, watch the video of how to set up angles expert, and then again, it's very simple. Once you understand it, you will love it and it will be handy, it will be easy for you. Just do the same practice as we did for the yellow spot. Make sure you place your white balls. Of course, depends on how much difficulty level you want to create for yourself. So that's it. I'm sure you have you're getting the idea how it goes. Very easy. And then start practicing how you will pot the ball automatically in the green. Follow the extended line of aim. So you can practice your potting angles for green ball in the middle, and make sure you do it like 30-40 pots from each spot every single day, at least 30 minutes a day, to understand the the basic recognition of cut shots or potting angles. So I hope this will help you. Any questions? We have concluded our bulk session. Now we will move to other colors, blue and pink, and then we'll obviously go for other practice routines as well with the angles expert on the snooker table. And I'm sure you love it. If you got any questions, please feel free to contact me. Message me, drop a WhatsApp message or email me. Thank you.